Welcome to Frost RV. We are Tucson's newest RV dealer and strive to be the best. We have been in the RV industry for over 20 years and we have figured out how to deliver the same unit at a much better value. Check us out 24/7 at www.frostrv.com. Presenting a pre-owned 2013 Forest River Grey Wolf 25RR. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Lightweight and bring the toys, half-ton towable, rear ramp door, sleeps 6, private bath, queen bed up front, nice kitchen, electric hitch jack, patio awning, 2-door fridge, A/C, outdoor speakers, great condition. Thank you for viewing the Frost RV channel.